Apple Fitness Plus is designed for your workout needs. In this video, we'll learn to use it. So, let's get started. The first time you open it, it will ask you to set up your profile. This is the summary interface. The tab shows your workout data. This middle tab contains all the premium activities that we'll cover shortly. The last tab is the sharing tab, which allows you to share data with your friends and challenge them in workouts. Tap the circle to see your step data. Apple Fitness Plus uses your physical health data to populate this interface. Tap the calendar icon to find the stats for each day. The app also has trends, but those trends are only visible after 180 days of activity, so we can't explore that right now. However, we'll go for a walk to complete our today's goal. As you walk with your phone or watch, this data will be updated. It does not update every second, but after a few minutes, you'll see the updated records. This is my today's activity. Tap the circle to see the detailed stats. As discussed, Fitness Plus supports sharing your activity with your friends. To add a friend, click this button and then tap the plus icon to choose your contacts. We can also put in their Apple ID here. They'll get a notification, and when they approve it, you'll see their profile here. Also, as they work out, you'll see their stats. Clicking a contact will show their last 7-day activity. Everything up until now was free. To access premium features, we need to subscribe. Tap the Try for Free button. You'll need to follow the steps to subscribe. Once done, we can access any exercise from the Fitness Plus tab. Let's try this meditation one. Play the video and learn along the way. If you have an Apple Watch connected, you'll see your heart rate, activity rings and other data just below the video time. Once a video is complete, the app will show a few options. Do what you like from here. The best thing about Apple Fitness Plus is that it adjusts your goal based on those activities. For example, I'll watch this exercise for some time. Now if I go back to summary, I'll see a different number here. It was 0 before, and now it shows 122 kilojoules. So you don't need to walk if you don't want to. Just pick one of those workouts and you'll be good to go. You can always update your profile and goals from the profile menu. Your health details display your date of birth, height, weight and other data, which of course can be adjusted. To change your goal, click and adjust it as you did when setting up the app. Let's discover some other features before ending this video. Apple Fitness Plus has an award section that rewards you for working out. To see all the award types, click this button. You'll find all the awards and their progress here. The app also promotes other fitness apps. You can download them from here. Even though those apps are not connected with Apple Fitness Plus, some have additional options if you don't find your workout in this app. So this was Apple Fitness Plus walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. Catch you later. Take care.